This is the relational operator program in which we are going to compare the values. So let's enter inside the main function. First, we have to declare two variables. So I will create int a and int b. After that, we have to initialize them with some values. So for a, I will take 15, and for b, I will take 27. Okay. After that, I have to show the comparison like greater, smaller, equal, not equal. So first, I will use the printf function. Inside that, I have to represent that number. So %d. Okay. And after each comparison, I have to display it on the new line. So /n, comma. And I have to display the result of a is greater than b or not. Okay. Again, I'm using the printf function. Again, the same process, %d, /n. Now, I have to check a is less than b or not. Again, printf function. So I will take it and then display it. Okay. Alright, here we are getting the answers in the form of the 0 and 1s. 0 stands for the false and 1 stands for the true.